Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial, and today I would like us to look at how we can be able to have custom Laravel error pages that are able to match with the theme that we are working on in our application. And so I have a Laravel application that is running here already. And under the circumstances, if you visit, for example, a page, a route that does not exist, what do you expect is that you're going to get this error here, 404 not found. So in other words, the page is not found. And also for all the other errors, the same page you're going to get, you'll be looking this way. So sometimes you might be able to create your application and you want to have the same theme even to these error pages. You will customize by creating custom Laravel error pages. And there are two ways in which you can be able to do it. The first way, you can just go to resources views and create a folder called errors, and then put 404.blade.php and all those other errors, so 500.blade.php and so on and so forth. Or else there is a command that we can be able to use to achieve that. So the command that we can be able to use to achieve that is php artisan vendor publish, and then hyphen tag =, Laravel -errors. So that is the tag that you will use. When you press enter, it's going to create, as you can see, it says publishing Laravel error assets, and all of them have been published here in resources, views, and then we have errors. So when we look at them, we have several things. We have 404, 403, 404, 401, 403, 404, 419, 429, 500, 503, and layout and minimal.blade.php. So these two, maybe you can even remove them. And then I want to just measure on 404 and put in some HTML code. And then we see that it can be able to render whatever it is that you would have written there. So I want to delete everything here, and I want to put some HTML5 scaffolding, and I can be able to achieve this by installing a package called HTML. That is the one that is assisting me. So when I press enter, as you can see, we have everything. We have the head, the head of the page, and here I can say 404. I can just call it 404. And then in the body, we can have H1 probably, and then call it error. And then we can have another H1. I'm not really interested in the HTML, so you can be able to work it out to your satisfaction in this case. But for me, what I'm just intending to show is that when we visit this route, it can be able to spit out whatever it is that we have put here. So I want to put H1 again, another H1. So we have 3 H1 tags. It's H1, and then here I can write page not found. So something of that sort. So page not found. And maybe I can write oops, something of that sort, such that you can be able to see exactly whatever it is that I've typed in is what is being displayed. So I will go back to, I will save that and go back to our page and refresh again. And now you see whatever it is that we have written is what is being produced. So this is how you can be able to customize. So then you can, even for the 500, the 429, 419, all of them, you can be able to put in your own template and theme to be able to have a uniform theme in your application whenever these errors are thrown. Thank you very much. That is the end of the video. I ask that you may subscribe, share, and you can also be able to comment below to mention anything that you would like to say. Thank you very much.